Introducing Gotti Fulfillment Services. Fulfillment operations and multi-channel software that provide a one-stop solution to sell online across all leading marketplaces in India. At Specialty Freight, we understand the quicker your product gets to the customer, the more profitable your business. That's why we utilize the latest technology in the industry to provide our customers a 99% on-time delivery rate, 24/7, 365. While the competition sleeps, we deliver. The only thing more exciting than choosing your dream home is getting to see it be delivered and installed on your home site. However, before that can happen, there are a few things that need to take place. Welcome to the website of Anna, a travel program dedicated to the Lebanese diaspora. By scrolling through the website, you'll see 2 packages offered, Standard and Premium, both available for a 12